Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your wallet on Tapswap. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it in the next few seconds. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see connect wallet. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. But guys, before I go ahead, you can remember that initially those who started Tapswap earlier on, those who were among the first set of persons that mined Tapswap, they were allowed to connect their wallet. They were asked to submit or connect their sole address using the Phantom wallet. But now everything has changed. You are now allowed to connect your TON wallet. This is the most recent update on wallet connection on Tapswap. Now you can now connect your TON wallet. You can use any TON wallet that you have. You can use TON Keeper, you can use Telegram TON wallet, whichever TON wallet, in as much as the wallet can hold your TON, you can actually connect it on Tapswap. So guys, now let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can do that. You can see where it is written connect wallet at the top. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it. Yeah, so guys, now you can see what's written here, connect your wallet. So guys, now you can see right here you have to decide which wallet that you want to connect. You can decide to connect your Telegram TON wallet, or you can decide to connect any TON wallet that you have. You can see down there are so many options given. You can see there you can connect your TON Keeper, or you can connect your TON wallet, or your TON Hub, or your D wallet, whichever one that you have and that you're using and it's working fine, you can go ahead to use it. But guys, in this tutorial today, I'm going to be using my Telegram wallet. So let me go ahead now to tap on where it is written open wallet in Telegram. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see what's written here. Tapswap wants to connect to TON Space. So guys, what I'll do now is to give Tapswap the permission to connect to my Telegram wallet. So what I'll do now is to tap on connect wallet down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see connected. So guys, now this is how it works. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually connect your TON wallet on Tapswap. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. Soon our next upload. Bye. Peace.